Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front, on-off-road, front disc rear drum brakes, tires, rear on-off-road. Inside you'll find smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, pass-through rear seat, passenger airbag. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.